Why is a 300 yuan Samsung printer not easy to sell? Today, we will disassemble the machine and take a look. How is the quality of workmanship? I have not dismantled this little yellow machine before. I find it hard to dismantle. After I dismantled it today, found it to be extremely easy to disassemble by design. Except for the shell. It's made of monolithic injection molded plastic, but all the structural parts inside, all are machined with aluminum CNC. So there is nothing to say about the workmanship materials. Only 4 screws need to be removed at the bottom. It's easy to remove the base plate. The top cover is easier to disassemble. Just pull it down. This is extremely convenient for maintenance and repair. The structure of the sheet metal hand is harvested without any gaps. The machine is telling the truth. 300 is really worth it. Let's look at the Z-axis again. This is a block of aluminum, slide sleeve with nylon. Then, don't look at the surface. It's plastic. It's lined. The lining is also a metallic metal. Then it is sent here. And the edge strength is also very high. Every detail is well designed. In fact, even if you buy it back, you don't need a 3D printer. You can take it apart and play with it. It's also worth 300. This is the biggest 3D printed dashboard I've ever seen. And we can see all the different components on the board. I'm afraid the cost will exceed 200 or 300. You can see its workmanship and materials. Of course, if you think this 4988 drive is noisy, you can change to the silent driver of TMC series by yourself. Then we can see here, there is a color screen interface. That is to say, it can be connected to a color touchscreen, and there is a USB. You can also connect to a computer, but these are all in the bottom case. It's blocked. You can connect it externally. All the common problem is that this extruder does not fit. This common problem. So what's the problem? Today I will briefly analyze. The root cause of this is, the manufacturer uses his proprietary consumables in order to, and he chose a material that was 2.0 millimeters in diameter. So the mainstream 1.75 and 2.85 consumables on the market, he can't use it. So what? It causes this gap in this extrusion wheel. Set to 2 millimeters. So what? Yours can be squeezed out with a 1.75 consumables extrusion wheel. Then the solution to this is very simple. Polish part of the 2 rulers here. Then put a 0.15 thick gasket on the back. Lean this slider in. At this time, it can be squeezed out normally. Did you learn it?